Honorable James Commissioner of Nyirol County, Jonglei State. First of all, I have to greet His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan and Commander of Chief of all regular or organized forces of South Sudan. Secondly, I have to greet and thank His Excellency, the Governor of Jonglei State, Dr. Yagaiko, for the peace that he has initiated across the 9 counties of Jonglei State. Thirdly, I have to thank the team that have been sent by His Excellency to come and witness the declaration that have been made by Major General Peter Garkit and all in a side of the army, and also in a police that head by Lieutenant General Gerkaiga, and also in a side of national security that have been head by Colonel Malang and his team. So I have to appreciate all the organizers, right from the general up to the personnel. Thank you, and may God bless all of you. Here are the demands of the community, because generally cantonment is not a Pultrug alone. It is comprised of 14 Payam, except Lankan alone. Because Lankan, this is the one that have been defected from the peace agreement of 2018 that have been signed by all the principals in a different political parties. And this is what we have done as a Greater Akobo, Urur, Nyirol, and Akobo. We are standing for the peace that have been signed in 2018. And this is where you have seen the big number that have been turned up to make a declaration. This declaration is not army alone. It is all the community that have been stand up right from 25 up to today. But they have demand the things that are facing them. Number one is hospital. That have to be put, because Nyirol County doesn't have the hospital. Based on the initiative that have been made in the national government. But we are requesting that the hospital should be put in a bigger part of the Nyirol, which is the headquarters Pading. And it will be called Nyirol County Hospital Headquarters Pading. I request His Excellency the President, I request the Minister of Health, I request the Governor of Jonglei State to make it immediately and should be put together like Urur Hospital or Yai Hospital and Akoba Hospital. That is the first demand that have been said by the community. We are joining the SSPDF and we are joining the SPLM party and we are joining the Jonglei State government. These are our first demand that we are demanding. Secondly, they are demanding the network. Every part of the area there's a network. But when you look at Nyirol County, even I myself as commissioner, I always went on the tree to go and look for the network, which is very difficult because commissioner is a post holder where I should always make my own thing. But today, if our people have declared themselves to join the SSPDF and join the SPLM, we are requesting that the network should be reaching all parts of the area, the 14 Payam that have been initiated and declared by Governor of Jonglei State. At least they should be having like 10 towers, MTN, Zen and digital, so that they should be communicating with all their friends and also to pass or disseminate the peace in our area. We appreciate the Governor for the sign of the road that have been made, and we have seen in our eyes that this initiative is already signed by His Excellency the Governor and also the Vice President for Infrastructure, General Tabandengai, for this road that should be started by next year. And we hope and pass our message in Jonglei State. When we are making peace, we are hopeful that this road will be reaching our area. Second, they have requested education in all those 14 or 15 Payam, even Langlo. They are requesting for education, especially in a secondary and also in primary and also in a nursery, so that our people should stop fighting when they go to the school. Also, there's a lack of water. When you look at this time in our area, you find that even a guinea worm that have been declared free, it is still in Nyirol County. We are requesting the national government, and we are requesting the state government, and we are requesting the partners to make sure that this initiative for putting the borehole so that the people should be drinking a clean water, to make them, they should be like other states or other counties to having a clean water. We are requesting our national government that they should be putting a borehole in all 15 payam of Nyirol County.